This Doberman was shocked and surprised seeing a long tail attached to Labrador mix Bruno. She kept sniffing it, curious to know what it is. Poor Bruno also started doubting his tail.
You both are getting used to each other. Yay! This is Ellie so close to Bruno and smelling his tail. Bruno's also smelling his tail. Ellie's smelling his tail and Bruno also smelling. You're smelling his tail. What is wrong with you? Why are you going round and round? Bruno's very unsure. What is Ellie up to? Baba, what you doing? She's smelling your tail. You want water? Water drink. She's not drinking water, Billa. Is that Ellie? Ellie? Ellie, come. See, Ellie bought toy. See what Ellie bought. See what Ellie brought. Where Ellie? Ellie? You bought toy, Baba? She toy. She toy. She bought. What do you got? You got toys? Oh my gosh. Ellie? Enough. So close.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.